The meeting minutes feature of a Toastmasters website, which is something that was only recently introduced, gives you another document type in addition to blog posts and web pages. This allows you to post your meeting minutes but keep them separate from your blog posts, your other content, and also to keep them private. So this provides a section of the website where members can come to view the minutes, but if somebody who is not logged in comes to your site, they will just see something saying you must be logged in to view this content. So you can put that on your public website. You may or may not want to advertise it. There's a place on the dashboard also where that is visible. So a logged in member will see something saying see club minutes, and there's just one on this website right now. Now, if I want to create a new document of this type, I go to TM minutes and I can go add new. And so it's like creating any other document type, but I'll show you something a little bit different in just a moment. Board minutes for June 1st. And I'm just going to put in some fake text here. Okay. And we'll publish that. And that will now be part of our minutes archive. But if your club keeps minutes of every meeting or even just significant meetings, this is a tool that will automatically generate that for you based on who was logged in here. And we have the option to create one of those documents using these details. So we can go through here and maybe we can make some corrections because somebody served in this role but didn't make it onto the agenda. So I'm just going to do this for demo purposes. So you can make some corrections. We can go through, we can actually put in details like who did table topics if you want to track that. Now the people who held roles will already be marked off as attending, but we can check off other people who were also at the event, maybe didn't hold a specific meeting role, and we can add an additional note down the bottom just as a starting point for our content. And I'm not going to make this terribly detailed. We can say save changes here, and that will be updated. And I'm going to go back to the meeting minutes screen. We've actually updated the records for that event. But I have an option here to create an online document. So that's going to create one of those meeting documents for me. And now I can go in here and see that. So it's been saved as a draft so far. I can go in and edit that further. And so, I can, maybe I want to have something up top. If we had an election, which actually we did at this meeting, I would include the details up top about who just got elected as the incoming officers. And then maybe I can include some of this other boilerplate information down here. So actually that tool was for creating minutes based on the past records. That was sort of in the system previously as something people could use to copy and paste into Microsoft Word. But now we can publish directly to the website. And this has another option if what you want to do with those minutes is mail them out to your members. And go to View Minutes. And an option that's up at the top of the screen in the admin bar is new. You can go to new email, and I can say copy to email. So I'm going to copy all this text over into an email message. And again, here I could tweak it a little bit more for presentation as an email if I want to. I'll update this and view it on the website. And now I've got it in my email template. All right. So this is all the same information. It shows who held a role, who was shown as being absent, and I can say that I want to send this out to all my website members. So if I wanted to send it to the whole club, I can do that. For these purposes, I'm just going to send a test copy to myself. So that should show up in my Gmail in just a moment. So if something that you want to do on a regular basis is have detailed minutes of your meeting, this can make it easier for you to generate them. Now, this is a new feature. It probably has room for improvement, but I want you to know how it works. And actually, my friend Donna tried to demonstrate it as part of our workshop the other day and hadn't seen some of these new tweaks. So play with it. Give me some feedback, and we'll make it better as we go along.